Most people get denied for a $50,000 Navy Federal loan, not because of credit, but because they miss one rule Navy Federal never explains. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how some members get approved for up to $50,000 with no income documents, no pay stubs, and no tax returns, while others get denied instantly. If you bank with Navy Federal or plan to open an account, this could be the difference between approval and rejection. Navy Federal looks beyond credit scores, focusing on your relationship with the institution. Loyalty, account history, and transaction patterns are key. This hidden factor can transform a potential denial into approval, even without documentation. Building a strong rapport with Navy Federal is crucial for securing loans. Navy Federal loans offer unsecured protection, meaning they can't repossess assets if you default, making them selective about approvals. They provide a massive range of loan amounts from $250 to $50,000. Remarkably, no documentation like pay stubs or tax returns is needed, just a straightforward online application. Navy Federal offers competitive interest rates with annual percentage rates ranging from 8.74% to 18% for loans up to 36 months and 10.29% to 18% for loans between 37 and 60 months. These rates are significantly lower than typical credit card rates, which can reach 25 to 30%, making them an attractive option for borrowers. Exclusive military discounts enhance loan affordability. Active duty or retired military with direct deposit receive a 0.25% annual percentage rate discount. Senior enlisted members E7 to E9 enjoy a 1% rate discount on select loans. Remember, discounts cannot be combined, so choose the most beneficial option for your financial needs. A strong, established relationship with Navy Federal is crucial for personal loan approval. Many applicants mistakenly apply too soon after opening an account, leading to denials despite good credit. Understanding this unique factor is essential for success. Navy Federal has an internal credit score ranging from 100 to 450 points. It primarily influences credit card applications. For personal loans, your external credit profile is crucial. However, a strong banking history with Navy Federal can be the deciding factor between approval and denial, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a solid relationship with the institution. If you would like to stay up to date with the latest on personal credit and business credit, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. And join our free credit community to get access to more funding information on the business and personal side. The link to join will be in the description box and pinned comment. Now back to the info. Navy Federal is a member-owned credit union, prioritizing member care over profits. Opening an account and immediately applying for a large loan shows no established relationship. Consider their perspective. Lending $50,000 to a new acquaintance lacks trust. A solid banking history reflects commitment and trustworthiness, crucial for loan approval. New members often open a Navy Federal account and immediately apply for a personal loan. This approach usually leads to denial even with decent credit. Establishing a relationship first is crucial. Immediate applications lack the necessary trust and history, which are key factors in loan approval decisions. The 90-day rule is crucial for new Navy Federal members. Waiting at least 90 days before applying for loans allows you to build a solid banking relationship. This period helps establish a credit profile, increasing your chances of loan approval. Avoid rushing into applications to prevent unnecessary denials. A high debt-to-income ratio can result in loan denial even for no documentation loans. Navy Federal reviews your existing debts via credit reports, making debt-to-income a critical factor. It's often the top reason for application denial regardless of excellent credit. Debt-to-income (DTI) ratio is calculated by dividing total monthly debt payments by gross monthly income. Aim for a debt-to-income of 36% or lower for optimal loan approval chances. Navy Federal requires assurance that you can manage payments without defaulting, making a low debt-to-income crucial for loan approval. Debt to income includes auto loan payments, mortgage or rent, credit card debt, student loans, and other personal loans. The new Navy federal loan payment is also factored in. Understanding these components helps assess your financial health and loan eligibility. With a gross income of $6,000, current debts of $2,000, and a new loan payment of $4,000, the total debt becomes $6,000. The current debt to income ratio is 36%, which is acceptable. However, with the new loan, the debt to income ratio rises to 46%, potentially too high for approval. When reporting income, include your primary job salary, part-time jobs, side income, and investment returns. Rental property income also counts. Veterans Affairs disability benefits being non-taxable can be boosted by 25% on applications, enhancing your financial profile. VA disability benefits offer a unique advantage. If you receive $2,000 monthly, you can report $2,500 on applications due to a 25% adjustment factor. This boosts your non-taxable income spending power, enhancing your financial profile for lenders. Lenders typically approve personal loans amounting to 20 to 30% of your annual income, given a reasonable debt-to-income DTI ratio. For instance, with a $60,000 income, expect a loan range of $12,000 to $18,000. Requesting $30,000 is aggressive but feasible with strong credit and a debt-to-income below 40 to 45%. Navy Federal's credit requirements are pivotal in their approval process. Their evaluation is notably stringent, emphasizing the importance of strong credit. A robust credit profile can offset minor application weaknesses, offering a competitive advantage. Understanding these criteria is essential for enhancing your application success with Navy Federal. Navy Federal uses the FICO 9 scoring model, primarily pulling credit reports from TransUnion for personal loans. A significant advantage of FICO 9 is its disregard for paid collections, which can enhance your credit profile. Understanding this can help you strategically manage your credit to meet Navy Federal's requirements. A credit score of 660 or higher may secure approval for smaller loans, but with higher interest rates, a score of 700 improves approval chances for moderate loans with better rates. Achieving a score of 720 or above offers the best approval odds, allowing access to the highest loan amounts and the lowest interest rates. To optimize your credit, ensure zero late payments in the past 2 years. Maintain credit utilization below 10%, ideally under 1%. Aim for an average credit history length over 2 years. A mix of credit cards and installment loans is beneficial. Avoid new credit applications 3 to 6 months before applying to Navy Federal. Ensure your credit report is flawless with no negative marks. Even a single late payment or collection can drastically affect your approval chances. Maintaining a spotless report is crucial for optimal results. Strategically filling out your application is crucial. Ensure all information is accurate and consistent with your credit report. Double-check details like your address and income. Avoid discrepancies that could raise red flags. This meticulous approach enhances your approval chances significantly. For employment status, list employed with your actual employer's name. If self-employed, use your business name as the employer to prevent red flags. This is crucial as self-employed applications often raise concerns and delay processing. When completing your application, include all income sources and add a 25% boost for non-taxable income like Veterans Affairs benefits. Be honest about your housing status. Only count your share if you have roommates. Consider adding a co-borrower, a Navy Federal member, to improve eligibility and increase approval up to $150,000. You may want to go for a 36-month term to secure a lower interest rate between 8.74% and 18% annual percentage rate. Extending beyond 36 months automatically raises the rate to 10.69% to 18% annual percentage rate. For instance, a $30,000 loan at 18% annual percentage rate over 36 months results in a $1,083 monthly payment. Ensure affordability before proceeding. After submitting your application, it enters a pending review, indicating you passed initial screening. The review process may take 1 to 4 hours or longer. Upon approval, you'll receive an email detailing loan terms, including amount, interest rate, and monthly payment. Once terms are accepted, funds are deposited within 30 minutes. If denied, remain calm and avoid reapplying immediately, as this could worsen your chances. Carefully read the denial letter to understand specific reasons for the decision. Address these issues, such as income or credit discrepancies, and wait at least 90 days before reapplying to improve your chances of approval. Ensure all income sources are accurately reported, including a 25% increase for Veterans Affairs benefits. Verify your debt-to-income ratio is manageable. Address negative credit report marks by paying off collections or disputing errors. If partially approved, accept the offer, make consistent payments for 6-12 months, and then consider reapplying for a larger amount. To enhance approval odds, establish a solid loan history with lenders like Lightstream, SoFi, or Upgrade. This history significantly boosts your chances with Navy Federal. Additionally, ensure your Navy Federal accounts hold at least the loan amount. This demonstrates immediate repayment capability, strengthening your application. Requesting a $25,000 loan with a matching account balance in checking and savings demonstrates repayment capability. This strategy is ideal for building loan history as it instills lender confidence. However, it's most effective for those without immediate financial need, as having $25,000 in savings typically negates the necessity for a similar loan amount. To secure approval, start by building a relationship with the bank through consistent account activity for over 90 days. Optimize your credit score to 720 plus and maintain a low utilization rate. Keep your debt-to-income ratio at or below 36%. Apply strategically using a 36-month term and reporting all income for fast funding. Avoid critical mistakes that can jeopardize your Navy Federal membership. Common errors include account mismanagement, which can lead to shutdowns, and actions that keep credit limits low. The most severe consequence is a permanent ban from their top products. Understanding these pitfalls is crucial to maintaining a successful relationship with Navy Federal. To maximize approval odds with Navy Federal, follow the strategy outlined in this guide. Utilize every tip and technique provided. Avoid 5 critical mistakes that could lead to being banned from their best products. Begin building your Navy Federal relationship today to position yourself for success.